Hello children, welcome to the maths class. In chapter 4, simple equations, we were learning how to find the solution of an equation by transposition method. In exercise 4.4, in previous class, we completed question 1. Now coming to question 2, A part. The highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. And the highest score is 87. We have to find out lowest score. So lowest score is unknown. For unknown, we have to take any variable. So let the lowest score be x. And on this x, the condition is given. Condition is twice the lowest score plus 7. So twice means 2 times the lowest score plus 7. This is highest mark. And highest score is given 87. So these both are same. So our equation is 2x plus 7 equal to 87. Now we have to solve this equation. Here we have to separate the variable from other things. So first of all we have to separate this 7. It is other term. So transpose it to right hand side. 2x equal to 87 is our right hand side, and transpose this plus 7 on right hand side, it will become minus 7. Now 2x equal to 87 minus 7, 80. Now we don't want this 2. To remove this 2, we have to divide by 2. So divide both sides by 2. 2x by 2 equal to right hand side 80 by 2. 2 will cancel. X on left hand side, and 2 ones are 2 40s are. So 40, x equal to 40, but it is the lowest score. So the lowest score is 40 marks. Coming to B part. In an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. The vertex angle is given 40 degrees and we have to find the measures of base angles. Here in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and the angles in front of equal sides are also always equal, and the vertex angle is given 40 degrees. These angles are unknown, so for these unknown angles we will take a variable x. Let the base angle be x. Vertex angle is given 40 degrees, and always in a triangle the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Now here see 40 degrees plus x will become 180 degree. So our equation is 40 degrees plus x, these are the base angles, equal to 180 degrees. Now we have to solve this equation. X plus x, 1x plus 1x, it will become 2x. So it is 40 degrees plus 2x equal to 180 degrees. Here there are two terms and this term is with variable. So this term we will keep on left side only, and 40 will transpose to right hand side. So 2x equal to right hand side is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. So 2x equal to 140 degrees. Now we don't want 2 to remove, divide. To remove 2, divide both sides by 2. 2x by 2 equal to 140 degrees by 2. 2 will cancel. X on left hand side, and 2 ones are 2 70s are. So x will come 70 degrees. So the measure of base angles, both the base angles are 70 degrees. So measure of each base angle of the triangle is 70 degrees. C part. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Twice means 2 times the runs scored by Rahul. Together their sum fell 2 short to double century. Century means 100, double century means 200, and 2 short means 2 less. So it is 198. And how many runs did each one score? We have to find out the runs scored by both. So let us take a variable for runs scored by Rahul. It is X. So 2 less than double century means 2 less than 200. And runs scored by Sachin, Sachin scored 2 times the runs scored by Rahul. So it will become 2x. And our equation will become together their sum. Together means runs scored by Rahul plus runs scored by Sachin is equal to 2 less than 200. So 2 less than 200 will get 198. Now this is 1x plus 2x. Total we will get 3x. So this is 3x. Now we have to solve this equation. We don't want this 3. Divide both sides by 3. So we will get 3x by 3 equal to 198 by 3. 3 will cancel. We'll get x here equal to 198 divided by 3 is 66. So runs scored by Rahul is x and x is 66. And the runs scored by Sachin is 2 times the runs scored by Rahul. So multiply this by 66. Value of x is 66. So 2 into 66 we will get 132. So runs scored by Sachin is 132. Coming to question 3a part. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles and we have to find out the marbles with Parmeet. Now we have to find out number of marbles with Parmeet. So this is unknown. We will take any variable for this unknown. So let Parmeet has x marbles. Now on this variable condition is given 7 more than 5 times. So 7 more than 5 times means 7 more means plus 7. 5 times x means 5x. And this is the number of marbles with Irfan. And Irfan has 37 marbles. These two are equal. So our equation becomes 5x plus 7 equal to 37. Irfan has 37 marbles, but this is 7 more than 5 times the marbles with Parmeet. And we have to solve this now. So we don't want 7 first. Transpose it to right hand side. 5x equal to 37 minus 7. 5x equal to 30. Now we don't want 5. Divide both sides by 5. 5x by 5 equal to 30 by 5. 5 will cancel. X equal to 5 ones are 5 6 are. So x is equal to 6. Parmeet has 6 marbles. Coming to second part. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. And we have to find out Lakshmi's age here. So for this unknown age, we'll take x. Lakshmi's age be x years. Now condition on variable is given 4 older. 4 years older means 4 more than 3 times. So 4 more than 3 times, 4 more means plus 4 and 3 times x means 3x. And father's age is given 49 years. So these two are equal. So our equation becomes 3x plus 4 equal to 49. And this equation we have to solve to get Lakshmi's age. So 4 we don't want, take it on that side, transpose it. 3x equal to 49 minus 4. So 3x equal to 45. Now 3 we don't want, divide both sides by 3. So 3x divided by 3 equal to 45 by 3. 3 will cancel. X equal to 3 ones are 3 15s are. So this is coming 15. Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Coming to third part. People of Sundargram planted trees in garden, and some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees, and find out the number of fruit trees if non-fruit trees were 77. Here we have to find out number of fruit trees. So let it be x, and the condition is given 2 more than 3 times number of fruit trees. So it is x, 2 more than 3 times x. 2 more means plus 2. 3 times x means 3x, and the number of non-fruit trees given 77, and these two are same. So our equation is 3 times fruit trees plus 2 equal to non-fruit trees are 77. So to get number of fruit trees, we have to solve this. So let us solve this. We don't want this 2, take it on right hand side. So 3x equal to 77 minus 2. 3x equal to 75. Now remove this 3 by dividing both sides by 3. So 3x by 3 equal to 75 by 3. 3 cancelled. X equal to 3 ones are 3 25s are. So x is equal to 25, and x is our number of fruit trees. So number of fruit trees are 25. Coming to question 4 of exercise 4.4. Solve the riddle. I am a number, tell my identity. Identity means give some name. So let it be x. Take me 7 times over. 7 times means 7 into x. So it is 7x. Add a 50. So in 7x add 50. To reach to triple century still need 40. Century means 100. Triple century means 300. And 40 needed means 40 is less to triple century. 40 is less to triple century. So it is 260. And now the equation is this. 7x plus 50 equal to 260. Now we have to solve this equation to get the number. This 50 we don't want, take it on right hand side. So here it is 7x equal to 260 minus 50. So 7x equal to 210. Now we don't want 7, divide both sides by 7. 7x by 7 equal to 210 by 7. 7 will cancel. X equal to 7 ones are and 7 30s are. So x is coming 30, and x is that number. So that number is 30.